Welcome to Travel Smartly X. Ever dreamed of traveling the world but thought it was too expensive? Think again. In this video, I'll show you how to travel the world cheaply, with smart travel tips that can save you hundreds of dollars on every trip. Let's travel smartly. 1. Plan smartly. The first rule of cheap travel is planning ahead. Use websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to track flight prices. Always book during off-seasons. That's when flights and hotels are much cheaper. If you're flexible with your dates, you can literally cut your travel cost in half. 2. Accommodation tricks. Instead of expensive hotels, try hostels, guest houses, or volunteering programs. Websites like Workaway and Worldpackers let you stay for free in exchange for helping a few hours a day. You'll not only save money, but also meet amazing locals and travelers from around the world. 3. Transportation savings. Forget taxis. Use public transportation, walk, or rent a bike or scooter. In most countries, local buses or trains are up to 80% cheaper than taxis, and you'll see more of the real culture. 4. Food and experience. Eat where locals eat, not in tourist restaurants. Street food is not only cheaper, but often more authentic. And when it comes to experiences, look for free walking tours, public parks, local events, or even museum-free days. 5. Bonus smart travel hacks. Always carry a refillable water bottle. Use travel cards to avoid high exchange fees. And join budget travel Facebook groups. You'll find amazing deals and advice from real travelers. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive. With a bit of smart planning, you can explore the world on a budget and live unforgettable adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Smartly X for more budget travel guides, tips, and adventures. Start your smart travel journey today and make every trip unforgettable.